It's a 1916 Model T depot hack.
And how did you find parts for something like this?
Model Ts are easy. You can buy anything for Model Ts. Parts are all readily available.
So just your time and money.
Yep. Yep.
And tell me again what this car was used for.
It was originally for the first taxis from the train stations. Depot hack was, and then hack became taxis. So it picked up cargo and whatever from the train stations. So that's what this is made from.
Where did you find it?
I found a guy in Nanaimo that had a bunch of Model T stuff, and we bought a bunch of parts and brought them home, basically.
Frame, including the frame.
Frame, yeah, and he built a motor for it, so the motor's brand new, and then we bought parts and pieces we needed for it, and made all the wood ourselves.
Would that have been how it would have been originally, with all that wood on there?
Yes, yeah, they were all made out of wood, because you could buy Model Ts with no bodies on them. And companies would put their own bodies on them, and this is like an aftermarket Ford body.